Edusoft Robotix. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to Edusoft Robotics. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use copper tape to create a simple circuit that glows an LED. For this activity, we are going to use a copper tape, a coin cell, a push button, and an LED. For better copper tape tracing on the paper, we have already marked an outline. You can do the same by creating an outline of the circuit on blank paper. So, let's get started. Paste the copper tape on the paper as shown here. To make turns with copper tape, fold the copper tape opposite to the desired direction. Now fold again to turn the tape 90 degrees as shown here. Once we have traced the tape on the marked outline, place an LED in the gap as shown here. Use a duct tape to fix the LED properly. Now, add a push button to the circuit as shown here. Remember to connect only the diagonal pins of the push button with the tape to avoid any short circuit. Place a coin cell on the circuit in such a way that the positive terminal of the cell is connected to the anode of the LED. Fold the corner of the paper to connect the extended line of the circuit to the coin cell as shown here. This way we can glow an LED using the copper tape.